Welcome to our latest episode, where we dive into the fascinating world of sensors, actuators, and basic control devices. These components are the backbone of modern automation, robotics, and industrial systems. Whether you're interested in how your thermostat keeps your home comfortable or how sensors in your car make driving safer, today's episode will give you a comprehensive overview of these critical technologies. 1. Sensors. Let's start with sensors. Sensors are devices that detect and measure physical properties, converting them into signals that can be read and interpreted. They play a crucial role in various applications, from environmental monitoring to industrial control. Types of sensors. 1. Temperature sensors. Thermocouples generate a voltage based on temperature differences between two metals. Thermistors change resistance with temperature variations. RTDs use changes in resistance of metals to measure temperature accurately. 2. Pressure sensors. Strain gauges detect pressure by measuring resistance changes due to deformation. Piezoelectric sensors generate an electrical charge in response to pressure. Capacitive pressure sensors measure pressure through capacitance changes. 3. Light sensors. Photodiodes convert light into electrical current. Phototransistors detect light and produce a corresponding electrical signal. Light-dependent resistors. LDRs vary resistance based on light intensity. 4. Motion sensors. Accelerometers measure acceleration forces in various directions. Gyroscopes detect rotational movement or orientation. Proximity sensors identify the presence or absence of an object without physical contact. 5. Humidity sensors. Capacitive humidity sensors measure humidity by detecting capacitance changes. Resistive humidity sensors use resistance changes to measure moisture levels. 2. Actuators. Next up are actuators, which convert electrical signals into physical motion or actions. Actuators are essential for controlling mechanisms in various systems, from robotics to industrial machinery. Types of actuators. 1. Electric actuators. Servo motors provide precise control over angular position, speed, and acceleration. Stepper motors offer precise positioning in discrete steps. Linear motors deliver straight-line motion. 2. Pneumatic actuators. Pneumatic cylinders use compressed air for linear motion. Pneumatic motors convert air pressure into rotary motion. 3. Hydraulic actuators. Hydraulic cylinders generate linear motion using hydraulic fluid. Hydraulic motors produce rotary motion through hydraulic pressure. 4. Thermal actuators. Shape memory alloys, SMAs, change shape with temperature variations. Thermoelectric actuators use thermal energy to create movement. 5. Magnetic actuators. Electromagnets use magnetic fields generated by electricity to control motion. Magnetic linear actuators use magnetic forces for linear movement. 3. Basic control devices. Now, let's dive into basic control devices that manage and regulate various systems. These devices ensure that systems operate correctly and efficiently by controlling different variables like temperature, pressure, and flow. Types of control devices. 1. Switches. Mechanical switches include toggle switches and push buttons that manually open or close circuits. Electronic switches like MOSFETs and relays control circuits electronically. 2. Relays. Electromechanical relays use an electromagnet to switch contacts. Solid-state relays, SSRs, use semiconductor technology for switching without moving parts. 3. Contactors. Electromechanical contactors handle high current loads with electromagnetic coils. Solid-state contactors use semiconductor technology for high-power switching. 4. Thermostats. Mechanical thermostats use physical components to control temperature. Digital thermostats offer precise temperature control using electronic sensors. 5. Pressure controllers. Analog pressure controllers use mechanical or pneumatic methods to regulate pressure. Digital pressure controllers provide precise pressure management with electronic sensors. 6. Flow meters and controllers. Mechanical flow meters include devices like rotameters for measuring flow. Electronic flow meters use sensors for accurate flow measurement. Flow controllers adjust valves or pumps to regulate flow rates. 7. Position controllers. Linear position controllers manage the position of linear actuators or slides. Rotary position controllers control the angular position of motors or rotary actuators. 8. Level controllers. Float-based controllers use floats to detect liquid levels. Capacitive or optical controllers measure levels without physical contact. 9. PID controllers. Analog PID controllers use analog circuitry for control. Digital PID controllers use digital processors for precise control actions. And there you have it. From sensors that detect and measure various properties to actuators that bring about physical changes, and basic control devices that regulate and manage systems. These components work together to make modern technology function smoothly. Whether it's ensuring your home stays at the perfect temperature or managing complex industrial processes, these devices are integral to many systems we rely on every day. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of sensors, actuators, and control devices. If you enjoyed this episode or have any questions, feel free to reach out. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of technology.